Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Ford Edge garage door opener. Begin by parking the vehicle near the opener, turning the ignition to accessory, and locating the home link or universal remote buttons. Confirm you have the handheld garage remote and identify the opener's learn or program button on the motor unit. I will walk you through syncing, testing, and saving settings so your opener works reliably every time. To program Home Link, first clear any previous codes to avoid conflicts, then choose an empty Home Link button. Hold that button and the garage remote button together until the Home Link indicator flashes or changes. If your opener requires it, press the motor unit Learn button within 30 seconds and then press the Home Link button again to sync. Finish by testing the door from inside the vehicle and repeating if necessary to ensure a secure connection. If you hit a snag, start with simple fixes like a fresh remote battery and retrying the programming steps. Remember that rolling code systems need the motor Learn button pressed during the programming window, so time your presses carefully. Also inspect the opener's antenna for obstructions and aim it downward for better signal. If problems persist, consult your Ford Edge manual or the opener manufacturer for model-specific guidance to complete setup smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.